Hi everyone, Vanakkam, welcome back to my channel. Very excited for today's recipe. I'm making grilled cumin lamb chops. I'm going to smoke it, I'm going to grill it, but not on my barbecue. I'm going to do it in my kitchen on my griddle pan. So 500 grams of lamb chops. I have trimmed off the extra fat. So I've also exposed the bone from here. So I've removed the flesh and the fat, just so it's easy to hold while eating, and it looks nice while you're presenting and while you're serving. If you want to keep the meat on the bone, it's fine. You don't want to trim off the extra fat, that's fine too. It's just that I prefer it like this. So what I'm going to do is, because I want it to be an easy and quick dish too, I'm going to bash the lamb chops with a mallet so that the meat is nice and tenderized and it cooks evenly and nicely. It's nicely charred and it doesn't take too long. Salt and black pepper to season the lamb. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 3 tablespoons mustard oil. Here I have 1 teaspoon of mild English mustard. It also helps in tenderizing the meat, but also adds a nice flavor. 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. So this is going to be a nice cumin flavor lamb chops. So we'll add nice heaped teaspoon of cumin powder and half teaspoon of red chili powder. Okay, so let's give this all a good mix. So nice gentle massage on the lamb chops. So it would be a great idea to marinate this overnight for the perfect result, but if you don't have the time and if you're impatient like me, marinate it for 2 hours minimum. So I'm going to quickly wash my hands. I've got my coal ready. I'm going to smoke this. So we smoke the lamb for around 10-15 minutes, and then we come back and we remove the coal and then we let it sit for around 2 hours. So while the lamb chop is smoking and marinating, let's toast the cumin seeds. 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. So when you can smell the nice aroma of cumin, you know it's ready. So I've turned off the heat and I'm roasting this on a residual heat and moving it around too so that it doesn't get burnt. You don't want to burn it, otherwise you will get that bitter flavor. So the cumin seeds are toasted. Now we're going to give it a light bash in a pestle and mortar. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chili flakes that I made at home and half teaspoon of chaat masala. Give this a good mix. And this will be our gorgeous sprinkle that we're going to sprinkle on our lamb chops after they're grilled. So let's start grilling these lamb chops. Griddle pan on high, lightly coating the griddle pan with oil. Pan is ready, hot, and it's smoking, and we need to grill these lamb chops for 3 minutes on each side. So our first batch is ready. We'll cover it with alcohol so that the juices can settle and it's nice and juicy and tender. All of our lamb chops are ready, grilled, and for the final touches now, a good squeeze of lemon juice and a generous amount of our roasted cumin sprinkle. Serve while it's hot. You know this is good, right? So hit that subscribe button and let me know in your comments how you like this recipe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.